In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on Wix. Whether you're planning a conference, a live performance, or a casual get-together, Wix provides an easy-to-use platform for setting up and managing your events. Let's walk through the process step by step to get your event up and running smoothly. First, you'll need to access your event's dashboard. Begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard for your site. This is the control center where you can manage various aspects of your website. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Events. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your event's dashboard, the hub for all your event planning and management needs. Now that we're in the event's dashboard, the next thing we want to do is create a new event. In the top right corner, you'll notice a button that says Plus Add Event. Clicking this will initiate the process of setting up your new event. This is where the magic begins. You'll have the opportunity to customize all the details about your event so it's crafted exactly to your vision. As you proceed, consider the event type you're organizing. Is it a gathering where attendees need to book tickets, or maybe a free event just requiring an RSVP? Depending on the nature of your event, the fields you need to fill in might slightly differ. Wix allows flexibility here, enabling you to tailor everything from event names to venues, dates, and times, as well as more advanced settings like ticket prices and capacity limits. You can also add images or media to the event page to make it more visually appealing and provide all the necessary information attendees might need. If it's useful, think through exactly how you want your guests to interact with the event page. Would you like to offer them the ability to leave comments or see who else is attending? Perhaps you want to integrate your event with other Wix apps for enhanced features, like email notifications or scheduling follow-ups. Once you've input all these details, it's a good idea to review them carefully. Make sure everything is correct, because this is what your potential attendees will see. Double-check the spelling, the dates, and any links you might have included. After everything looks good, you'll want to save your event. With a simple click, your event will be live and ready to be shared with your audience. You can now promote your event through various channels, be it social media, emails, or directly updating your site. By following these steps, you'll have successfully created an event on the Wix platform, ready to engage with your audience and ensure a memorable occasion. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your event planning.